Atongoria Ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja ni manyitanire na Kenya ikiro ciothe gucakaya uria urari munene wa MBIRARU General Ogolla na maabitha angi anana mutino-ini wa ndege muhaka-ini wa kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet na West Pokot muthi waira. Matongoretio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia na Kenya mathakaru wa atongoria ni macakaite General Ogolla ta mundu urari mwendi bururi na MBIRARU njamba.
He was revered by his colleagues at home and abroad. He has had a service of 40 years. Kenya's 11th CDF was a focused visionary whose impact on our disciplined forces, indeed our nation, will be greatly missed. To General Ogolla's family and the families of the other fallen soldiers, we offer our deepest condolences.
Makigweta gikuũ giake na maabitha angi ta kiria gitareregereirwo atongoria ni monekanire gwikirira nganja mutino uyu.
We are aware that it is the Kenya Defence Forces that secures the flights of their commander-in-chief, as well as of their top officer, who is the CDF, the Chief of Defence Forces. They have done so successfully since independence, and yesterday's accident was unprecedented.
Moigite mutino ni mutino wa gatano wa ndege cia honge cia ugitiri thiini wa mwaka umwe muhituku makienda uthuthuria mbaranginyo UTABANIO.
Ikifika juu yetu tunaona hiyo ndege imeanza kuinama. Kuanzia kuinama kichwa iko juu. Tukasema na ikanyamaza ikiwa juu karibu 5 meters. Sasa kuangalia hivi tunalikuwa nafikiri anashuka shamba yetu. Kumbe kuangalia hivi tunaona sasa imeanguka kwa huko chini na moshi ikaamuka karibu 5 meters tu kutoka mahali tunakulia.
We need a serious relook into our security equipment, especially the aircraft, and we need to undertake a complete overhaul.
Ciorege Azimio irenda macokio kuma kuri thirikari niki kiracungiriria General Ogolla gukorwo na maabitha aingi a MBIRARU ndege-ini na kana ndege iri arari nayo niyo agirire gukoragwo nayo.
The questions Kenyans are asking in conclusion is whether it is routine for the Chief of Defence Forces to go and inspect construction of classrooms. Was this a plan within the military, or was it a directive? There are many questions which beg answers. Even the visual images of that accident, I don't want to say anything more that may prejudice investigations. They leave us with anxiety, and answers are needed as soon as possible.
Riu Ngwataniro ni yendekithĩtie ũthuthuria mbaranginyo ũtabanio gĩkuruhania honge cia ũthuthuria kuma nja wa bũrũri. Ritana rĩao rĩgĩũka rĩrĩ maabitha a ũthuthuria kuma DCI na honge igĩgwĩkinyia harĩa mutino ũyũ ũrahanĩkire gĩcigo-inĩ gĩa Kabenchep-Tulele muhaka-inĩ wa West Pokot na Elgeyo Marakwet.
Yesterday's unfortunate accident needs expeditious investigations, and this will not only help ease the already tense and anxious feelings of Kenyans, but it will put an end to any speculation. The investigations must be open and reports made to the public.
Kameme TV gikuhe uhoro gitau wa Wanjiku.